Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Thank you for joining me here today. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the spooky wolf character, the spooky death wolf character from Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. Before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that would be really helpful for the channel and I would really appreciate it. Okie dokie, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the face. So I'm going to do a little spooky eye here and the inside of the eye. And I just did like a little sharp oval there for the inside of the eye. All right, so now we're going to give it a little bit of space and we're going to do the other eye. So we're pretty much just doing the exact opposite of what we just did. So the same little kind of a shape for an eye and the same little shape inside it. And it's okay if they're not quite perfect. Mine are not. You can see that this one's a bit bigger than this one, and that's okay. So let's do the nose. So it's going to be like an upside down triangle kind of shape. You can see how the point is there on the bottom. And just doing a little line there. And all right, so let's get started on the mouth. I'm going to start here underneath this eye and then come on down and come up here underneath the nose. And then we're going to come out. And now I'm going to do a few teeth. So we're going to do some sharp, pointy, triangular kind of shaped teeth. So you can do them in whatever kind of sizes you want, as long as they look spooky. So then coming on downward, and then up, and we can do a few more sharp-looking teeth here on the bottom. And then the inside of the mouth, we can see a little hill that's going to be like the tongue. And then we can color the rest of the mouth in all dark. All right, so now top of the head, let's do that. I'm doing some like wisps of fur, and now we can do some pointy ears. So they're pretty high shaped ears. And of course there's two. And do the inside for both. And now we're going to come on down this way, and we're going to come out a little bit for the side of the face, and then inward here underneath the mouth. So here we're going to do the bottom of the mouth, following along here. And then coming on up. And here we're going to do the same that we did over here. It's like the side of the face comes outward a little bit where the cheeks would be. And then comes back in here under the mouth. So I'm going to do like a few little lines here going downward above the eye, just to kind of help show that he's not very happy. And put a little line right here between the eyes. All right, so I'm gonna make it a little bit darker here by the eyes. Just a little bit thicker. And now we can start on the robe he's wearing, like the cloak. So coming on up above the head here, above the ears, and then around the face here. I'm doing a few strokes of just like where the fabric is kind of bunching. Just helps to show the movement of the fabric so it's not so stiff looking. And do like a little bit bunched up here, and then bring it on down, and then come down again. And then we can come on up, and right here we can kind of have another shoulder, and the fabric's coming downward and then meeting right here where we were. And we can do a few lines to help show movement. You can just kind of put them wherever, really. You don't have to put them exactly where I'm putting mine. It's up to you. All right, so now I'm going to put a line coming down this way, and then a little curve, and then a couple little curvy lines going that way as well. This is going to be the start of the arm. So I'm going to do a hand here. So we've got the start of the paw and a little thumb here. Another finger, another one, and another one. And we can have like little sharp claws coming off of each little finger there, including the thumb. And over on this side we can do the same. So we can start with an arm, a little bit of an arm here, and then a little curve, another little curve. And then maybe in this hand, maybe we'll have one of his weapons. So let's start here on a thumb, and then on a finger, and we'll start with the handle of the weapon. I'm doing a little oval here, and let's see, we can do a Alright, so I'm just doing a little curve here, and now another little curve, and then we can start with the scary part of the weapon, coming on down, and then doing like almost like a letter C. And then I'm going to do some little lines here for the handle of the weapon. And we're not quite done yet. Going to do some legs. So this is going to be like the thigh, and then coming on down with a foot. And we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 toes, and have like sharp nails here on the end of each one. And we're gonna do these lines here because he's kind of got like his foot like wrapped up. And same with the other one. So we can kind of have this one here in the back of it. So we'll have like 1, 2, 3, and 4 toes. And again, that's kind of wrapped in a bandage kind of thing. And then those sharp nails, claws, and put a few sharp nails here. All right, so we are finished our sketch, and I'm going to get started coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.